It's the storm that moved through our state yesterday, brought some light snow showers to parts of Arizona, and brought some gusty winds our way. Well, today we're waking up to mostly clear conditions, a few flurries lingering along the White Mountains in the eastern Mogollon Rim where we've got some clouds still, but otherwise we're waking up to dry conditions across the state. Now, we do have another chance for some snow showers. Another quick moving disturbance will bring a chance for snow in areas along the Mogollon Rim and in northeast Arizona, but this is going to be very light snow as we head into this afternoon. It's not going to add up to much. If any of it sticks, it'll likely be just about a trace in spots like Flagstaff, but very light snow along the Mogollon Rim and very scattered snow showers, as you can see on Futurecast this afternoon and this evening. And for the valley, we're going to stay mostly sunny and dry. We'll just see some high clouds drifting in this evening. Otherwise, looking at cooler conditions and stronger winds too. Then behind this disturbance, we clear out and we're going to stay dry through the end of the week and into the weekend too. I mentioned those winds. They're going to kick up again today as that disturbance moves in. You can see that sustained winds by this afternoon and evening here in the valley near 20 miles an hour, gusts stronger near 30 miles an hour, and even stronger winds today along the Colorado River Valley where gusts could be as high as 35 to 40 miles an hour. So breezy here in the valley, breezy in northern Arizona, and windy at times along the Colorado River as this next disturbance moves in. A little cooler today, and this morning we're feeling those chilly temperatures as we wake up to clear skies. We're down into the 30s in Gilbert. The rest of the valley, for the most part, in the 40s here at this hour. We're at 48 at Phoenix Sky Harbor. In the teens, though, in Flagstaff and look at Window Rock, only 1 degree there. So it is definitely a colder start across our state. And it's going to be a cooler day with a high of 67 in Phoenix, 52 in Kingman, and we'll only reach the mid to upper 30s in spots like Flagstaff, Show Low, and Window Rock today. Then tomorrow, another day in the 60s, but then we've got a warm up to look forward to, as long as you don't mind those slightly warmer 80-degree temperatures, because that's where it looks like we're heading by early next week. The weekend, not bad, mid to upper 70s, but then by next week, we're talking highs in the 80s as early as Tuesday.